Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from WooCommerce Payments using Stripe step by step clearly. To withdraw from WooCommerce Payments using Stripe, begin by logging into your WooCommerce account. Navigate to the dashboard. From the sidebar, click on WooCommerce. Select Settings from the submenu. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Payments tab. Locate WooCommerce Payments in the list of available payment methods. Click on the Manage button next to WooCommerce Payments. Scroll down to find the Payouts section. Here, you'll see your available balance and recent transactions. To initiate a withdrawal, click on the Transfer Funds button. A new screen will prompt you to enter the withdrawal amount. Input the desired amount for withdrawal. Ensure that this amount does not exceed your available balance. Select the bank account linked to your Stripe account. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, follow the prompts to do so. Once your bank account is selected, review the transfer details. Confirm that all information is accurate. Click on the Submit button to initiate the withdrawal. You will receive a notification confirming that your withdrawal request has been processed. Check your email for updates regarding the status of the withdrawal. Withdrawals typically take a few business days to appear in your bank account. Monitor your bank account to confirm the funds have arrived. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.